Rotenfluh's hills burn under the sun. Engines roar and the CET Club race begins. Whoops, berms and jumps. Test the Dirt Mondays crew, ready to conquer the chaos. This is grit, guts, and glory. Let the anthem roar. KTM's roar, we hit the whoops fast. In Rotenfluh's CET Club race, no time to last. Logs and boulders, we scrub jumps high. Hard-enduro calls, we race or die. Gas gauge revs through berms, the track's alive. With hardened steel, we're built to thrive. Through ruts and dust, we carve the line. Rotenfluh's dirt, where legends shine. CET Club race, ride hard, love soft. Jumps and berms, hearts, blast off. Rotenfluh's chaos, tires wail and sing. Over obstacles we soar, we swing. Honda's growl rips through mud and stone. And Rotenfluh's grip, we rail berms alone. Over logs we leap through rutted trails. Beta's power ensures we'll never fail. The crowd roars loud, the sky's ablaze. Scrub jumps and whoops set our souls to craze. No slip, no fall, we hold the call. And Rotenfluh's race, where freedom's all. CET Club race, ride hard, love soft. Jumps and berms, hearts, blast off. Rotenfluh's chaos, tires wail and sing. Over obstacles we soar, we swing. The guitars fade, the crowd holds its breath. Drums explode like thunder, pounding Rotenfluh's earth. Rapid fire kicks slam like tires on whoops. Snare cracks but through the chaos, a relentless loop. Toms rumble low like engines tearing the ground. Sims crash, echoing jumps all around. A frenzied beat, fueling the race's fight. Building, blasting, igniting the Rotenfluh night. The chaos builds, the drums strike again. The storm of beats like bikes through Rotenfluh's pain. Double kicks pound, mimicking ruts in the dirt. Snare roll surge, like birds taking hurt. Sound flare bright, a crash for each leap. A primal roar, as the racers dig deep. Short and fierce, it drops the race's core. Rotenfluh's pulse, demanding more. The final lap, KTM stakes are high. Rotenfluh's berms scrape the blazing sky. Gas dodges rocks, Beta clears the logs. We charge with might through the thickest fog. No fear, no doubt, Honda owns this ground. Husqvarna's roar, the only sound. With every rev, we scrub our place. CET Club races hard, the ultimate race. The drums fade out and the guitar takes flight. Screaming riffs that tear through Rotenfluh's night. High bend, soul like bikes, scrubbing massive jumps. Slides and hammers rip, mimicking tire thumps. A shredding wail, fast as the race's pace. Strings burn hot, carving chaos through the race. The notes climb high, then dive to a gritty growl. Rotenfluh's spirit in every chord's howl. Whoops and fire, the machine's alive. Every berm, every scrub keeps the dream and drive. Rotenfluh's track breathes, it roars, it screams. CET Club race where we chase our dreams. United we ride, we thunder as one. In the dust, in the dirt, till the race is done.